Alright guys, we're going to do an unboxing today. Relentless Betrayal sent me a care package. Let's check out what I got. Now I know what I'm getting already, but I'm excited. You can see it with me. Some wraps. First that, sink or swim. Nice one. Where you going, cat? Oh man, look at that. The detail. That's pretty. Hell or high water. This is the hat. Yeah, this is the one. Look at that. Dead man tell no tales. And then it has that. That's real pretty. That's my anchor on the back. Real pretty. And we got shirt. Open this bad boy up. It's gonna be. It just says, yeah, you get relief out front. Here's the design on the back. Vengeance is victory. You got the jewelry, but we're gonna open that last. Got my new favorite hoodie. Let's get that out. Box. Move it out of the way. Hoodie. Real nice color. I like it. It's like awful gray color. What we got? Yeah. Then here's the back. Oh. Yeah, goes with the hat. But I really like the color. It's very soft. Very soft. All right. Look at that in a second. Look at that in a second. Show off this jewelry. Got a cute little bag. Definitely gonna reuse that. Oh wow. Look at that. Closer. There you go. Should be two of them. That's probably what's in here. My cat is in the box. Yep. Little cufflinks and right in there. Oh yeah, like that. I like that. What we got here? Wow. That ring. Yep, it's right where it's going. The sink or swim rings. These are real badass. Taggies. Over there. Another bracelet. Look at that. Cool still. I can go another hammer. There you go. Bam. Probably reuse all these boxes. Definitely bags. Thanks for RB Crew. Look at this. It says stay rad. Oh, we got some stickers. We got a sticker right there. It's probably on my laptop. I like that one. That sticker. We got a sticker right there. Dead men tell no tales. It's my new favorite hat already. That's unboxing. Again, Relentless Betrayal. Thank you guys so much for all that. You know, this stuff's never coming off.